Ever wondered what really happens during your dental cleaning? Well, let's unravel the mystery together. Dental cleaning, a seemingly ordinary procedure, plays a crucial role in ensuring your oral health. It's not just about sparkling teeth or fresh breath, but also about safeguarding you from potential dental diseases. Now, you might think dental cleaning is all about that ticklish sensation of the tiny brush or the high-pitched whir of the drill, but there's so much more to it. It's a meticulous process that requires professional expertise and precision. And here's something that might surprise you. It's not just for those who neglect their dental care. Even if you're diligent with your twice-a-day brush and floss routine, professional dental cleaning is still necessary. It helps in removing the plaque and tartar that your daily brushing might miss. So, are you ready to dive deeper into what really happens during a dental cleaning? Step into the shoes of your dentist for a moment. Let's embark on the journey of dental cleaning, step by step. First, the process begins with a thorough examination of your mouth. The dental hygienist, a professional trained in oral care, looks for signs of gum disease, cavities, or other potential concerns. They use a small mirror as their guide to check hard-to-see areas. This initial examination is crucial as it sets the stage for the cleaning process. Next, we move to the removal of plaque and tartar. Plaque, a sticky, bacteria-filled layer, can lead to gum disease and cavities if not addressed. Tartar, on the other hand, is hardened plaque that's been left untreated and is more difficult to remove. The dental hygienist uses a tool called a scaler to scrape off plaque and tartar from your teeth surfaces, especially near the gum line and between the teeth. After the plaque and tartar are out of the way, it's time for tooth polishing. With a high-powered electric brush and a gritty toothpaste, your teeth are thoroughly cleaned and polished. This process helps get rid of any leftover plaque or tartar, leaving your teeth shiny and smooth. The final step in the dental cleaning process is flossing. The dental hygienist will expertly floss your teeth to remove any remaining particles or plaque. Now that you've walked through each step, you can see that dental cleaning is more than just a quick scrub. Dental cleaning is not just about having pearly whites. It's a vital part of oral hygiene, playing a crucial role in preventing gum disease and tooth loss. Regular dental cleanings help to remove plaque and tartar buildup that brushing alone can't reach. It's not just about your smile, but your overall health. Your mouth is a gateway to your body, and maintaining its cleanliness can contribute to a healthier life. So next time you sit in that dentist's chair, you'll know exactly what's going on and why it matters. It